Hey, what's going on, barbecue world? Today I am doing a half of a St. Louis style rib. I just didn't feel like cooking a whole one. The rib tip part, which you can see to the left, and then in the middle I have a few pork steaks cut off of Boston, but they had those on sale at Publix today. Got my fire going with the hickory chips. Everything's blazing. Everything is blazing. This should be a good outing this time around. I got my favorite rub on there, and they've been on now for about a few minutes. I forgot to shoot this little video before I started, before I closed the top on the grill. Got my old U grill on my old standby grill, made with the U colors. So yeah, so however you decide to do your steaks or what have you, see the U colors right there? In a few minutes here, I'm gonna also do some like a what is it called, the sirloin steak. My wife wants that tonight, so I'm doing sirloin steak. So I'm out here in the backyard, my stogie and some white lightning. So I'm doing it. Get your supplies together. Got my bag of charcoal, big bag. Got that from what is it, Sam's or Costco? 35-pound bag for $10. So I got all my tools today. So now it's like just gonna ride it out. Miami Hurricanes play at Florida State tonight. Today is November 17th. I'm sorry, November 15th, 2014. Happy grilling. This is the final product: the pork steaks and the rib tips and the half of a spare rib. So I had them bad boys on it for about 3 hours. They're all good to go. They're looking good. They're resting, and they should be cut here shortly. Yummy, yummy, yummy.